Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily delete search history in Safari on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and also write comments. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open up your phone settings on your iPhone. Next, scroll down, you'll need to find Safari. Go to Safari. After that, scroll down to the very bottom. At the very bottom, you'll find the Advanced section. Go to that. And then Website Data. That will take you to all the sites you've been to, and you can see a full list of them. And for you to clear all those websites, you just need to click on Delete All Websites at the bottom. This will clean up all the website data at once. Also, go back to Safari settings. And you'll find a section like this, which is called Clearing Website History and Data. And as you can see, there's this kind of timeline here. You can choose for how long you would like to clear your history. For example, for today and yesterday, for all time. I'll choose for today, let's say, and clear the history. This way, you will clear your search history on Safari. Friends, this is the simple way you can easily delete search history on Safari on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.